Hello guys, welcome back. How is it going? Let's wait a couple of minutes so people can join by, and then we can start working at our code for the contest. We currently are in Bronze League, and hopefully today we can get to Silver, because firstly I think I'll start by cleaning up some code, refactoring. And once I'm happy with the algorithm of detecting the enemy, I can start implementing something that will actually help, like going to the enemy when I know pretty sure where he is or things like that. Because right now I'm just running around the map, so that's definitely not the best way to do it. Mm, let's see how we're performing with bot with the current code. Hmm? Mm-hmm. So yeah, here we are. The red one is me. So yeah, here I lost to the bot. Yeah, there is definitely things to improve. I think I had some notes down because yesterday I didn't have a live. So notes. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, I saw that there is a difference of shooting then moving, and moving and after that shooting, because sometimes if I move firstly, then in the same turn I can reach the enemy and shoot him. So I saw in my latest battles that I'm losing a lot when just by implementing this logic I would win. um, what else do we have? Track when enemy is shooting and predict his position based on that. Yeah, we are receiving information about the position where enemy is shooting. So based on that, we can predict that he is around that area. I mean, like, you can shoot only a distance of 4. So based on that, you can also predict his position. So that will also improve our code. Yeah, there was a small bug that I was storing duplicate possible positions, so that made my code yeah, like, not optimal. Then yeah, I'm also thinking to refactor the way I'm predicting the animal position, because currently I'm in each round I keep track of all enemy actions for each turn. So in each round I am performing these actions on the enemy position, but that's not the best idea, because we could store the enemy possible position at the previous turn. So based on his newly actions, we can update that array, so we don't have to compute all the turns in each turn. That's something that I think I will start with. um, and yeah, if we know for sure where enemy is, so basically that means that when our array of enemy possible position has only one position, then we can shoot even if it will take damage to us. So that's also something that I'm thinking to implement, because right now if the enemy is too close, I will not shoot because I'm afraid that I will damage myself. That's also good, but when you know for sure that the enemy is there, you can check like if he has less damage and just shoot him. And there was a bug that I was still shooting out of range, I don't know why that happened, because in the previous video I was actually fixing this, and I'm using the same algorithm that CodinGame is using for determining if I can shoot or not. So I'll have to debug and see why that is happening. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Hello, Alexandra. Next league is waiting for you. Probably, we'll see. Mohammed, hello. So let's get started. Let me open IntelliJ. Yeah, let's go to CodinGame and start syncing our code. Yeah, it started syncing. And yeah, here we are. Let's close everything and start from scratch. Not from scratch, but like this. Okay, so yeah, as I said, I will start by refactoring my prediction algorithm. So let's have a look. So this is the function called for each turn to update the enemy's orders based on what the game provides us. And here we are storing them in this array list of actions. And based on that, we have this method get current position based on initial position and action. And using that one, we assume that the enemy can be on any cell in the first turn. So we call that method with the point at that position, and just like that we predict his current position. Yeah, but as I said, it's not very optimal to compute this again and again because it doesn't change. It remains the same. So I will have to probably we will start by creating an array list of enemy possible positions. Array list of point equal to new array list. Okay, we need also a name, enemy positions, not enemy. It doesn't make sense to have enemy because yeah, it will be on the class enemy. Possible. Did I mean? Equal to new array list. Yeah, and in the beginning, when we initialize the object in the constructor, we will loop through all the possible positions and add them to the array. Or maybe we will yeah, I think we will get them from the map because I don't want to set an island as a possible position. So here we can say public array list of points, get all empty cells, then we will loop through the whole map and check if map equals to empty, not empty, empty like this. Yeah, let's declare an array list here of point so we will add a new point at that position. So the x is j and this one is I. And at the end we just return points. If map is empty, points add. Okay, so here we will say possible positions equal to map dot get all empty cells. But for the map I think we have a setter, and yeah, we have a setter, and at that point the possible position the map is not when we create the submarine object, the map is not yet defined. So let's move that probably in this setter. Yeah, maybe it doesn't make sense to have other logic in a setter, but in our case it will be good enough. This dot possible positions equal to map dot get all empty cells. Okay, now we know that we have a reference to the map, we have all possible positions here. Let me just quickly check something. Anastasia, yeah, sometimes we do. Not very often, but sometimes. Just if we wash the costume. So let's think what's the next. I'm thinking that if we are updating the possible positions each time, we don't actually need then the array list of actions, because we can update the positions at the same time as we update the orders. Probably. I'm not an expert, but yeah. Let's see. So damage action. Yeah, let me think. So we are parsing here the orders, so we know if order starts with move. Order starts with silence. Yeah, I didn't stream yesterday because I didn't have a costume. That's a good reason. so, so. Should we have another array here to start storing the possible positions based on the... Okay, let's do it like this. So we'll definitely don't need actions this update possible update uh, update position on move. We will give it the direction, and here we will update position on move. Let's implement it somewhere here. Private void update positions on move. It's a string direction. Yep. Let me just close all the functions in order to keep it shorter. So there is a string, yeah. I think I saw in the source code of a game a very helpful function to get a point based on a direction, in order not to have like if statements like if it's north, if it's south. So let me check if I can find it. I think it's in a model. It's direction. Okay, that's a pretty useful class that we can definitely use for storing our directions. So I will not reinvent the wheel to try to recreate it, but direction, I will take it directly from the source code of a game. So we don't need these ones, we don't need this one, we don't need to throw anything. Yeah, we will let's return here null. So yeah, okay, let's now loop through all the for each point position inside the possible positions. Then we will apply this direction, the movement, and after that we will remove the ones that are not valid. So position dot, let's check our point. We will add a method move. It will receive a direction. So this dot x will be plus equal to direction dot dx. This dot y will be plus equal direction dot dy. Public void. So in the submarine, the pose will move in the direction. No. We can receive here directly the direction, and here we can say direction get dir. Yeah, something like that. And here we will have to, let's have another function, private void, something like to delete the positions that are not valid. Delete invalid positions. Then we will have a is there in Java something like filter the same way is in JavaScript? Maxim, hello. Thank you. Java filter array. I'm not sure if on CodinGame these arrow functions are supported. So let's check possible positions. Remove if position map is safe to move or is enemy safe to move. Is safe to move position. So remove if it's not safe to go there. Let's just have a look if CodinGame supports that that arrow function. No, it's not a rabbit, it's Stitch. Invoke empty. Where did it get from? Package sun invoke does not exist. Where do we get it from? Here? Not here. Let's find in path. Okay, it's in the map. So yeah, let's clean a bit here the unused dependencies. What happened? Point move. Null pointer exception. Okay, I think the direction is null, and just because we are converting everything to lowercase, so direction, directions. Yeah, let's keep everything to lowercase. South. Yeah, I think I should update the thumbnail. Yeah, I think it supports. So, okay, let's leave it to do here because I'm not checking based on enemy trail. So I use trail to check if it's safe. Okay, that's for update position on move. In the play, let's just have a quickly debug to see if we at least have some success with it. So possible enemy positions will be possible positions dot not possible enemy possible position, because this play is getting called on our submarine. So enemy possible positions dot size. Come on, let's see. So in the beginning, there are 176 possible positions. Yeah, that's all the empty cells except the islands. So yeah, when he moves, we are decreasing it. Enemy possible position 41, 36, yeah, and so on. So yeah, it kind of works. Except now it's 0. How can it be 0? Oh yeah, he's silenced, so we're... No, he didn't silence it. Oh, he silenced it here. So we're not checking based on it. Enemy possible position 5, and after that it's 0. Okay, okay. Now let's work with a trail, because we here in the map, in the submarine, we are checking is safe to move position. Okay, but that's tricky with the trail. I didn't think about that. Yeah, the trail based on based on movement is easy to keep track of it. So I think that for each position we should keep his position and the trail the way he got here. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. Yeah, and I don't think it will be very, very hard to keep the trail. No, Lucas, I didn't check the backend. If you're watching. So we will keep a point and a trail. Okay, let's then create a class. How would we call it? Something that we want to keep track of. Yeah, like a position with a trail inside. Yeah. Trail position. Very descriptive. Trail position will have a private point position and a private bidimensional array of integers that will be the trail. Something like that. Probably yes. Constructor. Let's generate real quick everything. Generate constructor. Probably with both. Getter. Getter for both of them. Then in the submarine we will keep track of possible position with trail position. Okay, and here set map. Okay, we will array list of point empty cells, and then we will loop for them for point position in empty cells. We will say this dot possible position. We will add a new trail position with a position of that cell, and the trail will be the trail it's already the trail. Yeah, that position should be already the trail. So let's just send this position, and here we will create trail new in of 15/15. Then trail at position.get y position.get x will be equal to 1. because we know that the current position is already his trail, so he already visited it. So when we move, okay, trail positions, okay, we can change it here in the trail position. This dot position dot set x to position dot get x plus direction, and we'll do the same for the y. Set y and also we should update the trail the same way. We updated the trail, position get y get x is equal to 1. Okay, but it's gonna be interesting to check it. Because we probably will need to check it beforehand. Yep, we will have to check it before updating the positions. It's getting pretty complicated. Get point in direction. We will return a new point in that direction, so it's gonna be x plus direction dot dx. Y plus direction dot dy. So here okay, remove if position map is safe to move. Can I do it like that? Missing a return statement. Okay, so point target will be position dot get point in direction. So we will check if it's safe to move to the target, and also we should check if it's safe based on the trail. So should I make it in the trail position or maybe in the map? Is enemy safe to move? Okay, it's gonna be trail. We have already something like that. So is enemy safe to move? If it's not on the map, we return false. If trail Okay, we already have this one, so we will use it. Trail point. Int cell. Okay, is enemy safe to move to the target using the position.getTrail. So hopefully we will first delete all the movement that are not being that will not be able to be executed, and after that we will update them here. Move direction, and it's a trail position move. We set it to 1. Yeah, I hope it will work. Let's give it a try here. Okay, what happened here? Null pointer exception. Okay, now lambda update position on move submarine. Get point in direction, get point. Get point in direction position. Oh, not position. No. We should say this position dot get position. Let's check it right now. Do I have here? It's again null. So point so is this dir not defined or what? Online play run. I don't think it says something. So let's console log the dir. But I don't think it's that problem. No, now it runs. What happened there? I'm not sure if keeping track of a trail is useful for the movement, but it will definitely be useful for the surfacing, because for the movement we know that he will not go into his trail, and even if he does, he will lose. So, but for surfacing it will be very important. So what's happening over here? 50, 21, 12, 6, and I guess I do. Okay, 1, then 0. What did he do there, Vet? Let's also console log the directions. So in the submarine, I think we did it into the not into the move. In the play, let's comment this out, because that's from our previous implementation. No, I mean like this. Then enemy dot possible positions. Okay, let's scroll down a bit. Enemy possible position 3, 4. That's me, that's him, 6, 10. Interesting. Okay, he's silenced, that's why. Enemy possible position 5, 11. Let's check just if 11, 11 is there. So yeah, we see 11, 11 is here. 10, 11 is still here, and after he silences, we lost him because we don't have 10, 10 here. Okay, let's hope that, yeah, I think movement should be working pretty well, tracking the movement, I mean. It's gonna be more interesting with silence, because in that case we are producing more possible positions. Okay, movement, good. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, this one is done. With surfacing, I think it will be quite easy. Sector, integer parse, action this turn. Okay, let's just check how we are doing it here. So surface, okay, we have a position get sector, and we can filter based on it. Where we have our update function there. Private void update positions on surface. So there it's integer sector will receive, And then we will do a remove if the same way we did it here. Just the condition will be different. So the condition will be, yeah, we don't even need this one. We'll remove if position.get sector if it's different than the sector that we receive where enemy surfaces. And after that, we should reset the trail of all positions. So let's go like here, set reset trail position, public void reset trail. Then we will have a loop. I'm too lazy to write it down. We definitely have it somewhere here. Trail position 15 trail equal, we don't need this one, trail at I j will be equal to 0. So yeah, here we reset. Let's just call this one here. Based on sector. Okay, yeah, we can play it, but I don't think we will be able to see it. Let's hope that the enemy will surface, but no, he didn't. And here as well he didn't. Okay, we will hope that it works. Okay, we will delete it later, but let's have a reference to this here. The silence. Yeah, I think we will have to implement the silence. So let's just have a quick look on what we were doing for the silence here. Okay, if it's damage, action, silence. Okay. For the silence, we are not removing any possible positions, because even if he's trapped, he can silence on the same spot, because as I read here, this allows you to move 0 to 4 cells, so you can actually silence in the same cell. So that will be also possible. Yeah, let's start implementing it. Private void update position on silence. We will not receive anything. And here we will loop for all the existing positions. We will, for each possible position, position get neighbor, position get neighbor, direction dist. Okay, submarine. I think we'll have the same loop here. So we'll try in two directions, and at distance 4 we can say the same here. So map, no, we need also the target position dot get position get neighbor at direction and distance. Okay, if map is enemy safe to move, position dot get trail. If it's not safe to move there, we will break, but if it's safe, we should add it to our array list of possible positions. So let's create a separate function for it, because we want also to check if it's not already there. So private void add possible position. So okay, we will have a loop. We will, okay, here we will say with a trail. Okay, I don't think that we need to I don't think that we will be able to check if it's not there, the position, because the position might be there, but the trail will definitely be a different one. So I think that trail will be unique, and we don't need this method. That's my assumption at this moment. Then we will have possible positions dot add new. How we are possible position add trail position. We have here move. I think this move will be adjusted with an integer distance. So we will say get x plus dir multiplied by the distance. So if direction is upward, it will be 1, and if its distance is 4, this will become 4 dist. I hope, yeah. And here, let's say move dist 1, But here we actually want a new trail position. Okay, I think we will. Let's add another static method that will return a new static trail position get position in that direction, something like that. My head is burning. Can you start the program, please? Yeah, sure. Let me just fix something because right now it will not run unless I comment it. I don't know. But I'm in the middle of refactoring a big part of the code, so right now I'm just losing always. Why are you interested in that? Okay, let's get back to work. Trail position. Okay, we will rather return here a new trail position. Oh god, I don't know how to do it better. So let's do it in a way and then we can refactor it. Get position in direction. So we'll receive a trail position. Position, direction, and dist. Then we will not need it here. So here, new trail position. Of a new point position dot get that's so bad. Why position dot get position get y, then we can set the trail. Okay, a setter for the trail generate. Then I think I will do a for loop int I is equal to 1 I less than or equal to distance I plus plus move trail pose dot move direction, and that way we will update it each time. Okay, I think that's good enough. We can always refactor it later. Okay, here possible positions, add trail position dot get position in direction. The position of the direction is okay. We have a little problem here. Our direction here. Okay, we can easily refactor it for direction inside direction dot directions. Direction distance, and for the point get neighbors we will okay, we will not need that one because we have it here. To be honest, I would do it as a static point and we can use it here. This one, then direction, okay, we also had a distance there. We can add it here as well, distance, so we will have divided multiplied by distance, and here as well distance. Possible position, trail, get position in dir. Okay. Okay, we don't have, we refactor it there. Here we also refactor it to be point, then the distance will be 1. Yeah, and we also should call it right here. Let's have a quick look. Position move, where does it come from? Update position move, it's somewhere from here. Is it here? position dot move. Oh no, it works. Yeah. So 44. Let's see after his silences. Okay, we have an error. Array list. Check for commodification. Concurrent modification exception. This exception may be thrown by methods that have detected concurrent modification of an object when such modification is not permissible. For example, it is not generally permissible for one thread to modify a collection while another thread is iterating over it. In general, the result of an iteration are undefined under these circumstances. So, why? It's player run, update position on silence. 800 for, okay, here 830 73. Oh, all right. I know. We are iterating over possible positions, and here we are adding. So that's not possible. We will have to keep them in an array list of trail positions, new positions, new array list. We will add them to new positions, and after the for loop ends, we will add them there. Possible position, add all new positions. Yeah, something like that. Let's check it right now. So yeah, it works. Then okay, here we have 25 possible positions, and here we have 245. All right. Still a lot of them are duplicates, but we need to keep them as duplicates because for each of them the trail is different. 200. But we can have a loop that will go through them, and once we decide where to shoot, at that point the trail for us does not make sense, so we can deduplicate the array, if that makes sense. So we can have private array list, and here we can have even point get dedup possible positions. Then we have array list of point equal to positions. Then for trail position we will add them if it does not already exist. So Java, let me just check if there is a easy function for that. Java array list. Contains item. Array list contains arrow function. I think in Java they're not called arrow function, they're called something different. No, in JavaScript I know. Okay, I will private boolean. No. Okay, private boolean array has position. It will be an array list of point and the point position. So for point p in array, if p equals to position, return true, else return false. Position here. So if array has position and pause, if it doesn't have it, then we can add it. So position add okay, we can use that one to reduce the duplicates. Enemy like this. $133. Let's go. 239. There's still a lot, and I think that let's see if there are duplicates. For example, this one 77. No. No, there are duplicates. Okay. Why? Did I maybe it didn't update? So let's firstly run it again. Let's wait until the enemy silences. Come on, silence. He didn't want it to silence right now. Okay, he's silenced here. Enemy possible position. There are currently 2, which is 6, 8. Yeah, this one, 6, 8, and 7, 8. And after that, he silences, and we have. No, there are still duplicates. I see them. Point equals. I think I have there the equals. Yeah, I don't get it. Why? Let me just check if it actually works. So somewhere. Okay, in play. If enemy possible positions Oh, I know why. Because I changed it somewhere else. Get dedup possible positions. Yeah, I think I changed it here. Okay. What happened? And already they are not trail position, but they are directly positions. Come on. Okay, 86, 33, and 0. Why 0? Here we have 2. Our enemy is 14, 14. Okay, we have it here. Then 0. Why? I think we're updating it only based on move. On surface, which didn't happen, and on silence. That's pretty interesting. Again, bugs. Okay, let's see. Silence solve. That's pretty weird. Okay, 31, 26, 11. Then his silence is 43. And then 0. We definitely have a bug there. So yeah, we get to 0 again. Did he? Yeah, he already silenced. 26. Okay. Let's check the update on silence because I think it might be related to it. So update position on silence. New positions. So for each position on the map, distance from 1 to 4. Directions is all directions. Target point, get point in the direction. Get point in the direction. Oh, I think I know. I know why it might be a problem. It's not about point, it's about trail position. Here set trail, get trail, we are not copying the array. So we have here utils, copy grid. Let's do the same copy grid for an array of integer source, so the result will be integer, new integer, return result. Yeah, okay. So in the trail we will say utils dot copy grid position get trail. So hopefully we'll never get to 0 possible positions. Yeah, I don't see them getting here. Yeah, I think we fixed it. It's really nice. Okay. 80. All right. 35. Okay, let's now quickly in the submarine. Okay, on silence we did. On surface we did. On move we did. I think the best way to the next step would be to implement the same thing for the damage. For the damage, so okay, damage. The interesting part is that we should know if the warders has a surface, then we should yeah, we should delete 1 life from there. But we can do that. Let me think how to do it better. Let's do it into a integer get damage, and we will receive the warders, right? String order string. So the same way as we did here. Order trim. So if order starts with silence, then we want to take a life from the player. So life will be minus equal 1. This life minus equal life. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I know. So the damage is the life in the previous turn minus the life this turn. So int new life. But if the enemy surfaced, then from the damage we should say this dot damage minus equal 1. And then we will return the damage. Okay, we will not. Let's just quickly implement this one as well. Private void. So it's gonna be something similar to this one. We receive a point target and integer damage. Okay, let's check how we were doing it previously. So if action is damage, okay, if damage get hit points, okay, that's our damage. So remove if. We will have here if damage equals to 2, then we know that we hit him directly. So here we can check. Let's easier copy these if statements. Okay, if damage equals to 2, and if target doesn't equal to position, then we should return false. Okay, position dot get position. Else if damage, actually no, we need target is around position dot get position, then we return false. Damage is equal to 0 if damage if target equals to position, and target is around the position, then we return false. Something like that. And if none of this if happens, then we return true. Yeah, let's see. So let's also console log here something. But it's gonna be obvious that possible enemy position 0. Oh, I think I have to turn them. It's other way around. So we want to remove if that's true. Yeah. All right, come on, play. Enemy possible position 3. Why? No, it shouldn't be like that. '91, '81. 40, 32. Come on. Okay. I hit you directly, I'm coming from you. 50. Why did I... Okay, that's for all the positions that are there. Okay, I think that works. Let's hope that it works. So with... we can already delete the actions and we will clean it a lot of the code. Actions this turn we don't need. Yep, like that. Here, get current position based on initial position. So for this one, for damage we handled it, for move we handled it, silence we did, only surface left. Surface left. Okay, that's gonna be quite easy. It's the same as no, we did the surface as well. Update on surface. Yeah, we did indeed. So yeah, I think we don't need this method at all. Now that we... this one as well. Yeah, one last thing. Let's also track the enemy where he's shooting. So here we will have else if order dot starts with torpedo, right? Yeah, torpedo. Then we will have something int x. The first one is the x, right? Yeah, no. Torpedo x, yeah. The x will be integer split on the empty space, the first one, and y will be the second one here. So update positions on torpedo, and we will send a new point x and y. So let's implement it real quick here. Yeah, we'll have something similar to that one. So update position on torpedo. So possible position remove if. We don't need to reset anything. I have here can shoot. Yeah, that's a perfect method for it. Yep, yep. So update position on torpedo. It's gonna receive a point target. So if can shoot position dot get position to target, right? No, can shoot only receives a target. Let's real quick. Point from to target. From target, okay. So if he can shoot from this position to the target, yeah, if he cannot shoot, then we remove him. We remove the position. That's basically it. Let's test it if it works. So in the beginning it will be very clear, because in the beginning there are 185 possible positions. Then let's see when he firstly shoots. Here are 118. So after he shoots, come on, shoot. Okay. From 69 to 52. Is it really the case? No, it's here. So yeah, he shots in this round. Yeah, okay, everything is around there. 52. Why I'm left with 0 timeout? Oh god. That's bad. I think I have too many puffs. What's going on with this improvement? Am I timing out always? Lost 2 lives. No, I just lost. So, what just happened? 0 lives. Possible enemy position 0. Nine 14. Okay, 914 is here. Move torpedo 4. What? Oh, the enemy can give orders, but it doesn't mean that he actually executed the order. So he can just shoot randomly on the map the same way as he did here. So check, he said, let's see where it was. I think it was a bit, yeah. Yeah, I think he shot. Then this tracking is not very reliable. Yeah, without tracking where he shoots, it's actually performing a bit better. That's weird. But yeah, I think a lot of times he shoots out of a range, and that's a bot, and I don't think that I can trust that all the players are shooting where they can. So 0. Okay, that's something. It's one of my bugs. Because I am trying to shoot out of range. Why does that happen? 4-7. So from this position I want to shoot 4-7. How do I think that I can get there? One, two, three, four, five, 6. Come on. If can shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe the get islands is not working properly because map get islands, position and target. Get islands returns islands. What? Why? Come on, islands. Am I changing them somewhere? Get islands. Oh, it's so hot here. Let me check by this one. So, maze is free. So is free maze destination get X get Y. Come on. Okay, that's going to be hard to debug. Let's debug the get islands for so boolean islands map.get islands to be sure that it's not from there. We print dot and we print an X there. No, I mean an X if it's true and a dot if it's not. So let's just check if that's at least the right way. I'm not doing anything and I'm getting more like better ranking here. Hey, what's happening? come on. Oh my god, it's lagging so much. Alright. String row, then row plus equal to this one. All right. Let's see. Okay, here. So yeah, I think the islands are displayed correctly. And they are not modified. Yeah, we don't lose them somehow. Okay, it's not a problem of the islands. So if path dot is not null, then let's say dist to target is path dot get length, get path length. Okay, let's see. So these two 5, where am I? I'm here. So these two 5 1, x is 5 1 is 7. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 7. Come on. Okay, it's 1 2 3 5 7. I don't get how we receive it as a 7. Okay, we are here. We are 4 8. Distance to 6 0 is 10 6 0. It's 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, that's all right. I think the problem is with islands. How on earth, like, the distance to 5 1 is 7? We are here. 5 1 is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, that's all right. No, still I don't get it. Why? out of range. Try to fire out of range. That's me. Torpedo 50. I am here. Yeah, torpedo 50. Let's see, this to 50 is free. No, come on. What's going on? Okay, we are here. Distance to 50, it said that it's free. One, two, three, four, five. I see it as 5. Okay. All right, I think I know. Shouldn't it be here y first and then x? Get y and here get x. New node. Okay, for the node it's okay like this, but for the maze, yeah, for the maze we are keeping track of it the y's first. No, we're gonna mess up everything here. No, okay, all right. We'll just say, okay, we know x is +1. Then here is x +1. Maze px y is yeah, all right. New node. Then x is -1. X is -1. Then y +1. And here is x. Y -1. Okay, that's what happens if you copy paste the code from CodinGame. So that, okay, but in our case they both are the same. So here is y and then x. Maze. Let's check. First is y, then is x. All right, let's check it one more time. So, out of range. Nope. Let's run it a couple of times, see if we receive this error again. Out of range, nothing. One more time. Out of range. Yeah, I think we fixed it. But we still have a bug. Out of range. Okay, that's the enemy, not me. Where do we lose track of the enemy and why? Okay, enemy possible positions. 712. We have it here. Possible enemy position 8. Possible enemy position 6. 512 is still here. 513 is still here. 613 is still here. And then his silence. Okay, so what's happening over here? Okay, we still have a bug. Yay. Let's just try to submit the code as it is, because I think we did some bit of improvement, not a lot, definitely. Yeah. Okay, let's check here. Keep enemy position in an array. Yeah, that's done. Track enemy is shooting and predict his position based on that. That we tried, but we saw that it's not a very good idea. Don't store duplicate possible position. We did that. If we know for sure where enemy is, shoot even if it will take. Yeah, we will not implement this one yet. Still shooting out of range, debug and fix. I think we fixed it. So what should we implement? So what's happening over here? Okay, he shots me. Yeah, then I shoot him, and yeah, it's clear. I'm thinking of a simple idea to, in order not to shoot when I have a lot of enemy possible positions, I'd rather surface and try to avoid him because I'm never surfacing, so I think that a lot of people can very easily predict my position. So let's go into the submarine, and in the charge say so if enemy dot get deduct possible position dot length size is more than, I don't know, let's say 20, we will adjust it later. Then we would like to charge the torpedo, no, the silence, and else we will charge torpedo. But I'm not sure why we're not using this function, or we are. Move to and then charge. Okay, let's see if we are at least charging. No, I don't think that we do. If enemy get the charge, move to. Okay, yeah, here we are charging with silence. Move to. So let's check if silence, how's it called? Silence cooldown is equal to 0. Then we would like to silence, but maybe we can put it. Can you silence and move in the same round? I think you can. Yeah, I think it says that you can do as many commands as you want. So in the play, where is it? Play here. So let's silence. Try to silence. Try to silence. We don't need that one. So it's a void map get best direction. Map get best direction. So okay, So okay, we have the backtrack algorithm that is on the map, is safe to move, array contains position visited. So we will do something similar to, okay, where is submarine, update position on silence, something like that. Direction map, get by best direction silence. Well, let's just silence on the same spot and we'll decide how to better silence. So try to silence submarine. Where is it? Try to silence. So if silence cooldown is more than 0, then we return. And after that, silence to direction, we can say north, and distance 0. Let's see. Oh, or we can silence closer to the enemy. That's also a good idea. Oh, what happened to me? Invalid direction and legal valid. Okay, I get it. Let's check it right now. So, last battles. Yep, we did not improve a lot. So, did I silence? Yeah, I think I did. I went here. Silence north 0. Alright, let's try this code. Alright, it looks a little bit better. What happened there? So everyone has their lives. Here he shot me. He again shot me. Okay, but in this case, look, the first shot, he's here. So because I'm shooting and then moving from this position, I cannot reach him. But if I would first move and then shoot, then the first shot will be mine and I would win. So I think that's a very good improvement that I should take. Okay, so far so good, the third place. Let's wait until it computes. I'm gonna be back in just 1 minute. So, come on. %25%, and I'm still the third one. Yeah, 22 points. Okay, while it is competing there in rankings, let's see what else could be improved. But I'm so tired right now. No. Yeah, let's just look at the games and maybe see why we are losing in some of them. -1. What happened there? Timed out. I timed out. That's bad. Just because this enemy just silences a lot. Again, -1. Timing out. Alright, that's quite a problem. Come on, please. Yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, against this player I'm just timing out. I don't know why. Okay. No, let me find this Oliver. No, how is his name? This one. And try to console log not the without removing the duplications. So in play, I think. Yep. Let's say plus enemy get possible positions. Possible positions dot size. Come on, it's so close. 75% and yeah, come on. Yeah, as we see here, non without duplicates we have 65 positions, but with duplicates we have 4,200. So that's the problem. We are running out of time when we have 9,000, for example. No. Yeah, but I think we can easily, let's say, in order not to time out in that cases, we can compute only like up to 5,000. If we solve it at 10,000, it gets timed out. So, no, we don't have a chance right now. Play. Or to actually keep the duplicate positions here. Not sure if that's a good idea. Okay, update on silence. Yes, we did it in the last moment. Yeah.
Woo! Bravo!
Oh. Okay. That was a surprise. Yeah, okay, thanks everyone for watching. I think I'm done for today. I'm pretty tired. We got to Silver League, that's really nice. We'll see you tomorrow and we will try to get to gold. I'm not sure if within one video we can get to gold, but definitely in 2 days we can be there. So again, thanks for watching and have a nice day, guys. Stay hydrated, write clean code, don't forget about that. Bye.